Good morning, everybody, or good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you're watching this. I just wanted to give you a short lesson in bookmarking. What bookmarking is when you're working in an area and you're editing and you want to go back to look at a spelling, or you want to go back to the title page or move forward for some reason, and you want to just jump back to where you left off. This is how you would do it. So that feature is called bookmarking your cursor. So let's pretend this is the spot I want to leave off at, and I want to mark it. Basically say, hey, Case Catalyst, this is the spot I want to come back to when I tell you to jump. So on my keyboard, I have it assigned to Control C for cursor. And then I'm going to page down, and now I want to go back to where I left off. So I'm going to hit Control Shift C, and it takes me right back to where I left off. And that is called bookmarking your cursor. Now, how did I do that? How did I set that up? Well, that's in your keyboard map, which is down here at the bottom of your screen. You're going to double click on it and open it up, and you go down to C. You're going to see Control C is to bookmark the current cursor location, which is where you want it to come back to. And then my Control Shift C is go back to the bookmarked cursor. So those are the two ways you would do it. You can pick any key combination you want, because you may have other things assigned to your Control C and your Control Shift C that you use and you enjoy. My other recommendation would be to do the X's, like X marks the spot. That's kind of easy to remember. This actually, I use my Control X for the court, for when I'm in court and the judge is speaking and I missed the speaker. I didn't hit the speaker right. So that's what I use to put the court in there. So I don't use my X's, but you certainly could. And the way you would assign it is you would double click it, and you could do a search for bookmark current cursor. Okay, click yes. And then that's the command that you want to assign to that button. And then the other one was called go to. So then you would search go to bookmarks, and you would assign it with that. Just double click it and assign. And then you want to save and close your keyboard so that it's there for future use, and you'll have it forever. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a wonderful day.